Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect.
Today we're going to show you how to replace a foamed-in door gasket in a refrigerator. This gasket fits into the gap between the inner and outer panels around the edge of the door on a side-by-side refrigerator. The inner and outer door panels are joined with adhesive insulating foam. The door gasket seals the gap around the door to keep the cold air in. You might need to replace it if you notice excessive frost buildup and reduced cooling, or if the gasket is worn, cracked, or torn. Let's get started. To smooth creases and folds in the gasket, carefully warm it with a hairdryer or a heat gun on a low setting. Be careful not to melt the gasket. You can also soak it in warm water. First, unplug the refrigerator or shut off the circuit breaker for the refrigerator. Pull the gasket out from the gap between the inner and outer door panels. Starting at a spot halfway down the side of the door is usually easiest. You may need to tug the gasket firmly to get the removal process started. Using a wet cloth, wipe any spills from the outside edge of the outer door panel. Slide the edge of a putty knife through the gap between the inner and outer door panels to remove any foam residue that clings to the gasket mounting surfaces. Don't insert the putty knife more than 1 inch into the inner door panel to avoid damaging insulation inside the door. Starting at the top of the door, work the new door gasket lip into the gap between the inner and outer door panels. Work your way down both sides of the door and across the bottom. Check for loose spots and adjust the gasket as needed for a proper fit. Spread a thin coat of petroleum jelly along the sealing surface of the door gasket to help the new gasket seal properly. Close the door and check the fit. The door gasket should fit tightly against the cabinet and door with no gaps showing. Smooth out any creases that cause gaps between the gasket and cabinet. Turn the refrigerator back on or restore power to the refrigerator. Use the same procedure to replace the freezer door gasket. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY.
We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.